Milwaukee announced an all-new 6-bay Rapid Charger for their M18 batteries. And the best part about this new charging solution is that it's compatible with their Packout storage system. This new M18 charger can rapid charge 2 batteries simultaneously, and that means that it can fully charge 6 XC 5.0 batteries in just 3 hours. It charges 1 battery at a time on each side of the unit and moves on to the next available battery in sequential order. Milwaukee tells us they're seeing faster charging times from this new Rapid Charger. Just how much remains to be seen. We do like the addition of a USB Type-A port on the side though. That lets you charge your personal electronic devices and smaller tools on the job site while you top off your batteries. As we said before, the big deal with this new charger is its compatibility with the Packout system. It clicks onto the detents on your rolling toolbox, letting you transport and store all the power you need for a day on the job site. Using a Packout mounting plate, you can also mount this charger in a go-to spot in your garage, your enclosed trailer, workshop, shed, or wherever you want a fixed wall-mounted charger for your tools. Whether stationary or on the go, you will need to find a place to plug in the charger's standard AC power cord. Now, this is an area where we would have loved to see Packout compatibility on the recently announced M18 carry-on power supply. How convenient would it be to just plug the charger into a power inverter that's already a module in your Packout system? Well, one can dream. We've been told the Milwaukee M18 Packout 6-bay Rapid Charger will hit brick and mortar and online retailers starting October 2022. The unit will run you $249 with M18 Fuel batteries being sold separately. Do you have any questions about the charger or other pieces of the Packout storage system? Leave those in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And like this video and subscribe to the channel for more power tool news and reviews. And as always, thanks for watching.